Hi Richard, Andy here at Armstrong Dodge. I'm just informing you that the deal that we had on the 2014 5500 fell through. They could not get financing even with a cosigner, so the vehicle is still available. As you know, Richard, it's a 2014 Ram 5500 6.7 liter diesel with a 12-foot dump box on the back. It's in great shape. The people that had it before really take care of it, and they traded this one in and bought actually two more. It's not as clean as I'd like it to be, but there really are not a lot of scrape scratches. We put new tires on to safety it. I don't know if you can see the tread there, but they're new tires. And even new tires on the back. You can see those okay. There's the tailgate. A big pintle hitch with a ball on it as well. A dual tailgate, flips top and bottom, and the sides also fold down. The only real issue I think with the truck, Richard, and I think you'll see it a lot, is it does have a small rip in the seat. But other than that, it's in great condition. Oh, there's 70,000 kilometers on it. I didn't get there quick enough for you to see it. It went out, but it's got 70,000. This vehicle does have a Jake brake or an engine brake on it right there. It's got auxiliary switches. And there's the radio. It does not have Bluetooth. I don't believe that one. It does have cruise control, however. And there's where the hoist goes up and down, a switch. And I'll just show you the inside of the box. Okay. And the tarp. Anyway, it is still available, Richard. And if you're interested, give me a call or email me, and we'll see if we can make something happen on it for you. I think it'd be a great truck. I think you really like it. Talk to you soon. Thanks, Richard.